What's good, YouTube? So, yo everybody, Unicorn Mermaid Princess, Germany back with 2 D's is back with another video. Clearly, as y'all can tell by the title, y'all already know what we doing today, okay? As y'all can tell by my voice, y'all know I had a crazy weekend. I participated in this Smash, Marry, Pass. It was real dope. It was real cool. I'll probably react to it. But anyways, let's get into the topic of today. Now, I've been recording myself for a good minute now, you know what I'm saying, and it took me time to be able to come up with the space, and it took me time to be able to sound treat the closet that I record in. But you know, it's great now, and I want to show it to y'all. I want to show y'all how I did it, so that if you're a rapper, recording artist, voiceover artist, whatever the case may be, I want to show y'all how to sound treat the room that you're in, regardless if it's a big room, small room, little room, tall room, whatever the case may be. I'm here to help you today, okay? So, yeah. So here is, where the magic really happens, okay? I did this all by myself, no help. You heard me? Yeah. I'm not gonna go over the equipment that I have because, to be honest, that's not the point of this video. Ain't nobody trying to spend all their money to record music, you know what I'm saying? We're trying to make money here, right? So I wanted to find the cheapest version, you know what I'm saying? The best way to do this, the easiest way to do this, you know what I'm saying? And so I found these moving blankets on Amazon that everybody used. I went on YouTube, I tried to go find what is everybody else using to sound treat their space. I go and I find these Amazon moving blankets, okay? That's what they're called. They're called moving blankets. They're super thick, so it absorbs the sound. The importance of sound treating your room that you record in is, for example, I'm sure that right now the sound in this wide room with all these open walls don't sound nowhere near as good as it would sound if y'all was inside of this closet with me, okay? So that's the point of sound treating your room. Your room needs to be sound treated. You don't want to just put your microphone in this wide open room and then try to record, because your voice is going to bounce off the wall, bounce off the door, bounce off the window, bounce off the, and it don't sound good. It sounds nasty, okay? So boom, okay? These moving blankets are the shit, okay? They do their thing. They super thick. They absorb the sound. They don't let it bounce off of it. I'm gonna give y'all an example of what the sound like in this room with the echo and when y'all come in here with me. So boom, okay? So first thing I did, I ordered a pack of like I don't even know, but I'm gonna put the link in my description, and I'm gonna put the price, because I don't really know. I don't know how much they was. I can't remember. It was a while ago. I told y'all I've been recording myself for a little minute now. So boom, these moving blankets, they weren't that expensive though. I really think I spent maybe $30-something, $40, something like around that price. I'm not sure. But what I did do, because obviously I didn't have enough, I wanted to like go in. I wanted to OD sound treat the room. You know what I'm saying? I wanted it to be perfect. When I got my homeboy to come over here and help me out with the template and all that stuff, I wanted it to be like perfect, so that's what I did. So behind these moving blankets, I actually have like 6 layers of regular blankets, okay? So I don't know if I have it already like to the wall, so I can't really show y'all, but I can show y'all on this door section. Basically I just have like a whole bunch of just random ass, I hope y'all can see this, I just have a whole bunch of random ass fucking blankets behind this these moving blankets, and it gets the job done really well, okay? Same thing with that back part of the wall. I got like 6 layers of random ass, thick ass blankets that I put the moving blankets on top of. Okay, so this room right here, you want to record in here, okay? Same thing with the ceiling. I am gonna show it to y'all. Matter of fact, let me just show it to y'all now. Same thing like with the ceiling. I have layers of blankets, and then I have the moving blanket right on the top. Same thing around all the walls. If y'all come inside, matter of fact, let's let y'all come inside. It's dark in here, but you see it's padded on this. Everywhere is padded. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. I have recorded like video recording of myself while I was in the studio recording, and so I'm gonna show y'all, and it goes all the way down to the floor, which is great. I do have so it's like really thick back here. Like I said, it's spacious enough for me. I actually fit my whole laptop in here with me so that I don't have to keep coming out, you know, that's too much. I put everything up by myself, you know what I'm saying? I'm a very independent woman, DIY type of ass bitch, and I'm trying to show y'all how to DIY too, you know what I'm saying? I like to just, you know, and I stand up when I record, but sometimes I can fit a chair in here too, but I just don't. I don't know why. I just, ever since I ever first made music, I just always would stand up. I don't know. I have a good amount of space in here. The door ain't all the way shut because it's dark, you know, and you're not gonna be able to see. So I do got the door cracked a little bit. Obviously, I'm pretty sure you still can tell the difference of the sound, even though the door is open, like the door not closed. But I'm pretty sure you can still tell the difference of the echo and the sound of what it sounded like when it was out there. If you can't, I'm gonna put a little comparison with the door actually closed so that y'all can see how good that a bad bitch actually did on soundproofing or sound treating this room. Oh yeah, so my most recent song that I dropped, I don't know if y'all know it or not, I'm a badass bitch and I'm a rapper, you know what I'm saying? I'm a female rapper, and the last song that I dropped is called Mirrors. It's out on all platforms right now. I actually recorded that song by myself. I also recorded another song that I did with this producer named Dirty Mac. This song is called Eater, and I recorded that myself as well. So if y'all want to go look at the quality of my, you know, my shit, you feel me, check it out, then you could go do that. But anyway, so yeah, let me show y'all my little setup. Please excuse my voice. Like, I don't know how I lost my voice. That fucking Smash Pass, Mary, whatever, that shit was cool, you know, but as soon as I left, bitch, my voice left too. Anyways, so, okay, this is like, I don't want to show y'all my toes because they're not done, so I'm not going to show y'all, like, the floor, but, okay, so we have our, you know, my microphone and whatnot, and then this is where I have space to put my Mac. Let me make sure ain't nothing crazy. But, yeah, this is my space where I have, like, to put my Mac, and then what else do I want to show y'all? Let me put my computer on my Mac. That's dope. Oh yeah, that's cool. So then what else do I have in here? I have my brother in here with me because my brother, he bring me, you know, real good luck, and he helped me with my music and whatnot. RIP to my brother, you feel me? And then I have my seashell in here. Y'all know I'm a spiritual girl, you know what I'm saying? And this is a very spiritual, it means a lot to me. This shell right here have a lot of history, okay? And it goes right in here with me when I record. That's pretty much it. That's the only thing I have in here. I got my microphone, I got my mic stand, my cute pink headphones, then I got my what is it? This is a Pro Tools interface, and a little light up there. I don't even know if I can get it. Oh yeah, and a little light up there, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, I put a little fur on the ground, you know what I'm saying, so I can feel comfortable with my bare feet. And then, like, as you can see, I just put my Mac right here. Like, I just put it in this opening right here, and it just stays. It's perfect. So yeah, basically this is all it is to it, you know what I'm saying? It's not difficult to be able to record yourself. It's not difficult to be able to sound treat a room. It's not expensive. You don't need a whole lot of money to be able to do it. And I showed y'all how I did it. And I was able to, you know, drop some bangers. You know what I'm saying? And it was obviously a learning curve to, you know, be able to, you know, record myself when I'm so used to like some other people recording me or having an engineer record me. But basically, I just got my homeboy to come over here after I finished the space and made sure all my equipment was together and whatnot. I just called my homeboy over here who normally engineer me. Shout out to Moo. I called him over here. He helped me out with a template and whatnot, and then it been up ever since. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all are interested in more videos like this, or wanting to know more about my equipment, or maybe, you know, live recording, like me recording music live with my little camera up there, you know what I'm saying? I think that would be dope. I would definitely be down to do that shit. But anyways, make sure that y'all stay tuned, because I will be reacting to that Mary Smash Pass video that I was a part of. Make sure, sis, that you stay that bitch. Don't let no nigga tell you that you ain't that bitch, 'cause you already know that you that bitch. And homeboy, don't let no hoe tell you that you ain't that nigga, 'cause you already know you that you that nigga. So what are we even talking about? Anyways, I'm out, y'all. I'll be back.